Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by validating prerequisites. Confirm firmware v2. 1 or later, and the hex docking module is physically seated. Power the system from a stable 12V supply and make sure both units share a common ground so signals reference correctly. Once done, enable debug logs and set the serial COM baud to 115,200 so you can watch handshake frames. You'll start the docking handshake immediately. Follow the LED status, and the first ACK packet to verify the link is live before proceeding. You now establish the active link. Send the sync frame and expect an ACK within 500 ms. If not received, retry up to 3 times with backoff. While communicating, mechanically align hex ports using guide pins with roughly 1 mm tolerance to avoid shear on connectors. Once frames flow, negotiate roles, decide master versus slave and perform token exchange to authorize control. Make sure to confirm CRC on each block. This prevents partial transfers and false positives during the critical middle phase. You finish by finalizing data synchronization and engaging the mechanical latch. Lock it only after CRC64 verifies the payload integrity. Once latched, run post-dock checks for power continuity, telemetry flow, and thermal stability for at least 60 seconds to ensure no hidden faults. If something goes wrong, stop, capture debug logs, reset the communication interface, and reattempt the handshake sequence. The key troubleshooting tip: if intermittent ACKs appear, reduce baud to 57,600.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.